show you something that's going to blow you away and a potential investor for our company and how we can get this going. Let's go through the database right now that I've put together and show you exactly how it works and how fast this works. And what we're trying to do here is actually reach out to people that are trying to raise capital for their existing business or a startup, or actually people actually trying to raise money for other companies as consultants. So this works for everybody, but let me show you how it actually works. Let's just go through some parameters right now, and let's look for a venture capital firm. So we'll click on it right there. And let's go to a startup company, because like you said, you think a lot of these people that are starting up companies will need something of this nature. And since it's a startup company, let's go to $100,000 to $500,000 for funding needed. As we scroll down a little bit here. And there's a lot of internet businesses, so let's just pick internet as one of the industries that we're trying to raise money for right now. And since we're a U.S. company, let's stick with the U.S. and we're going to leave them all checked. We're just going to leave all the U.S. checked. We're not going to check a specific state. And all we have to do now is we're done. We just hit the find button, and we just pulled up 60 firms which are listed right here. These are the 60 firms we just targeted for what we were looking for. All these firms you see down here are the firms that are in the database, but the ones we're really interested in right now are these here. And so there's a database of 60 firms, and if we want to, we could actually send an email to every one of them all at once, to the whole list, or to the selected company. So if we just clicked on one, and if we want to send an email, we could send it just to them. And what's really cool is we have all their information right here. If you scroll across, you can bring it all up. Or if you want to, just go up here to management team and more details. And it brings up their information, their email, their website. They're an early stage seed or startup funding firm. Their industry preferences are right here listed. Very nice, easy to find. Their management team. They didn't have any management team listed here, but you can still get that information through the internet site of theirs. And if you want to, you can just click on their internet site here, which will take you right to it. And you can see in the background, here's their internet site. Very nice. Real simple. And that's the UPS fund that we talked about there. Let's see, enterprise fund. Yep, it's a UPS Strategic Enterprise Fund. They're out of Atlanta, Georgia. That's how fast this software works, and that's what makes this so valuable.